Look at the size of that crane in Ganges Harbor here. Wonder what they're doing. Tacoma, HM Tacoma, Victoria. That is one big monster crane on a barge. So they must be doing some pilings. That's what it's for, eh? See, he's testing down the bottom there, the guys. In the boat, he's pushing something down to the bottom. It's not very deep there. That is a huge machine, isn't it? So are they extending the dock or something, or what? No, they pound them right in. But say there's rock in there. Like, I don't get it. If there's rock, how can they pound them in?
They have to dig it out.
God, that is a big machine. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I'm curious now.
They will know in there.
They will. I want to find out. Why would they be putting pilings in there?
Maybe they're going to put another wing here.
Oh, yeah. You think so? Like extend the...
Yeah.
Oh, you might be right. They might be making the dock bigger, the wharf. Mm-hmm.
Finger in here.
Yeah. Wow. I see the piling right there. He's grinding on it, on the barge there.
They would need better food. How many do you have there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
I'm gonna find out. Maybe she knows.
She don't know.